Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your content strategy with BuzzSumo, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a BuzzSumo account if you haven't already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Use the search bar to enter keywords related to your niche. Analyze the results to identify high-performing content. Take note of the engagement metrics like social shares and backlinks. Use filters to refine your search by content type, date, and language. Next, explore the Content Analyzer feature. Input a specific domain to see how its content performs. Analyze the top articles to understand what resonates with audiences. Examine trends by checking the Trending tab. Look for spikes in content performance to identify timely topics. Utilize the Influencers tab to find key figures in your industry. Engage with these influencers to amplify your content reach. Consider using the Alerts feature to monitor new content in your niche. Set up alerts for specific keywords and competitor domains. This will help you stay informed on industry developments. Take advantage of the Questions feature to find common queries. Utilize these insights to create targeted content that answers audience needs. Experiment with different content formats such as infographics or videos. Measure the impact of your content by analyzing performance over time. Use this data to refine and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Regularly revisit BuzzSumo to stay updated on emerging trends. Continuously evolve your content strategy based on what you learn. Apply these steps consistently for effective content scaling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.